Overcoming junk food cravings. Eating clean is a lifestyle, and although you may indulge in junk foods every once in a while, you will want to avoid them for the most part. This can be difficult in our food-saturated culture. Here are a few ideas and tips on how to overcome your junk food cravings when they hit you. Keep healthy, convenient food on hand. One of the big allures of junk food is that you can usually grab it easily and eat it without a second thought. Keep healthy foods on hand that are both easy and tasty. Fruit can satisfy a sweet tooth, and you can wash a few pieces at a time and store them on the counter so that you can eat them immediately when hunger hits you. Keep other easy clean items on hand, such as nuts and even items you have previously baked and stored in the freezer, ready to be eaten. When you meal prep, make an extra serving and keep a variety of these healthy frozen meals ready to be used when you don't have time to prepare one. Don't let yourself get too hungry. Going too long between meals can be a bad idea when trying to eat well. A person who feels like they're starving is much less likely to make wise food choices than someone who is prepared and just beginning to detect the feeling of hunger. Eat your meals at a consistent time and you will find yourself better able to resist temptation. Have substitutes for your biggest temptations. Speaking of temptations, we all have certain junk foods that have a strong appeal to us personally. Choose a substitute and keep it on hand to enjoy when you are feeling the pull of the unhealthier version. If chocolate is your weakness, make frozen chocolate cups out of ingredients such as almond butter, coconut oil, cocoa powder, vanilla and honey. Mix and put into tiny silicone freezer molds so that when you want that specific chocolate taste, you can pop one or two out, enjoy, and feel the craving pass. Indulge occasionally. Because eating clean is a lifestyle and not a diet, there will be occasional times when you indulge in what you are really craving. Keep these times few and far between, but don't cut them out completely. Have a small piece of apple pie, a scoop of ice cream or a single serving of potato chips and eat them slowly and mindfully. Enjoy your treat and then get back on track without any feelings of guilt that may sabotage your eating goals. Drink a glass of water. Often when we feel hungry and when we are craving various foods, we are thirsty and dehydrated. Keep a timer on your phone reminding you to drink water or fill a jug and sip on it throughout the day. If you feel a craving, promise yourself that you will first drink 2 full glasses of water. By the time you are done, the craving may have passed. When you have a craving, it is often a signal that you are not functioning in total balance. Check all your lifestyle habits. Ask yourself whether you are getting enough sleep, or whether your craving might be boredom or your body's reaction to not getting enough exercise. If you have a craving, there are many steps you can take which can reduce or eliminate it. Try a few of them next time the feeling hits you. One of the most important tasks when choosing a clean eating lifestyle is creating a home environment that supports your new way of living. When it comes to the food that you keep in your kitchen, being well prepared with a variety of healthy foods is one way to ensure that you won't slip up and binge on junk foods. Here are some essentials to keep in your clean eating pantry. Fresh fruits and vegetables. The clean eating lifestyle is built around the consumption of life-giving fresh fruits and vegetables. By keeping these on hand, you will be more likely to choose them instead of packaged and processed foods. Keep them in the special bins in your fridge and keep a smaller amount in a fruit bowl on the table. You can wash a few pieces of fruit at a time so that it is easy and convenient to pick up a piece and eat it when hunger strikes. Vegetables can be cut up in advance, and small amounts put into bowls to snack on all day long. Cooking and baking essentials. It is frustrating to be excited about trying a new, clean recipe, and then realizing you have to buy most of the ingredients. Stock up and keep your cupboards full of items that you will use regularly, such as a variety of herbs and spices. Keep various milk substitutes such as cashew, almond, rice and hemp. These can stay unopened for much longer than conventional milk, and can be kept in the cupboard until needed. Gluten-free foods and substitutes for the original foods can be found in almost every grocery store in abundance nowadays. For example, wheat pasta can be replaced by items such as rice noodles and black bean pasta. This helps make tasty meals that are just as convenient as other less healthy items that you may be used to eating regularly. Keep bulky foods and flours around, such as oats, millet and quinoa that you can eat as is, or use in your baking. Choose organic as often as possible. Healthy, convenience foods. Eating clean doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Many canned foods can be a part of your new lifestyle and can save you a lot of time. Stock up on low-sodium and organic canned beans, tomato sauce, vegetables, soups and salmon. These will give you options when you are hungry but short on time and will help prevent any dietary relapses due to a wrong food choice made in a state of panic. Nuts and seeds keep well and a handful can be a great, filling snack. Sprouted, organic bread is delicious, or you can make your own. Protein powder made from a trustworthy source is great to have on hand and can be mixed for a quick meal. When you decide to eat clean, begin changing your pantry into one that supports you and your health goals. By storing foods that are delicious and keep well, you will be less likely to fall off the wagon, so to speak. Make a list of these foods that support your lifestyle and keep them in your home, and eating clean will be easy to do.